I have a brand new 2025, it's called my Locals Guide to Denver or Relocation Guide, but really what it is, I share 20 of my favorite neighborhoods all around Denver, the best parks and restaurants, coffee shops, farmers markets, everything you can think of. I share all of that with you for each of these 20 neighborhoods, and it's just a really good, valuable, free resource that you can take advantage of and maybe hopefully help you kind of get a little bit better idea of what few areas that I share with you in that maybe most speak to you and are maybe gonna be the highest on your list of potential places to come out and check out. So definitely download a free copy of that. And then one last plug, I also do every single month a free live webinar where I really go in depth on just the buying process out here in Colorado and just really give you a lot of valuable tips on how hopefully you can succeed when that day comes on finding that perfect house, getting it for a great price, and just making sure that you're making the best decision possible when it comes to, for a lot of people, the biggest purchase they're ever gonna make in their entire lives. All of that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And as always, really appreciate you guys. Love having you on another episode this week of Living in Denver, and I can't wait to share a brand new one with you guys next week. I'll see you then.